Hello guys, for starters, these are 800 grams of ceramic cam capacitors produced in the USSR, here mostly from the 80s and 90s. Although there are older ones, I will extract palladium from them by refining, and you do not forget to pour. I've been collecting this all for a very long time, and I plan to get quite a lot of palladium from these old capacitors. And so first I will need to get rid of the varnish, and I want to cover it all with sodium hydroxide. Now you see that I'm pouring sodium hydrox. I'd here very carefully use safety glasses and gloves. It's dangerous, you can get a chemical burn. And then this whole mixture will remove the varnish from these capacitors. Yes, this glass got very hot, but this is a special chemical vessel. Since an ordinary jar can burst and will not be very good, then I will put it all on an electric stove and leave it for several hours. When heated, it is clear that the process has already begun, since as the temperature rises, the reaction rate also increases. Well, what can you see here how sodium hydroxide worked? We can also observe small pieces of foil, and foil is pure palladium. This is what we need. In this jar, I have ferric chloride in it to remove excess solder and lead that will interfere with us in the main. It will also reduce our purity of palladium. I'll pour this in here and leave it all for a few days, then I'll remove it with warm water by rinsing. Then I boil it in ordinary boiling water, and a lot of capacitors are stratified, and we see this palladium foil, which we then need to dissolve in nitric acid. Now I will add nitric acid here, and then filter. Just enjoy the video, I will not say anything. Here I reduced palladium with sodium formate. This is for primary precipitation. I dissolved everything in nitric acid, and now I will reduce the palladium again for greater purity. I use sodium formate. Now I compress this palladium parachute using a syringe. Then I melt it and show you what happened. Rate my results. I did an analysis. The purity of this palladium is 99.5%. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, it took me a whole week. I think I deserve a subscription to the channel and a like. Write what you think about it to everyone by.